Most of the personal finance world is obsessed with a singular myth, the number. We are told that achieving a monolithic net worth target is the ultimate signal to walk away. That narrative is structurally dangerous. Building wealth and withdrawing wealth require separate mathematical disciplines. Accumulation relies on optimizing your savings rate and absorbing risk over long time horizons. Decumulating that same wealth into a reliable cash flow engine requires structural engineering and tax mitigation. If you approach the final 36 months of your career relying on the blueprint you used to build your portfolio, you expose yourself to execution risk. A flawless net worth on paper can be paralyzed by sequence of return shocks, structural tax traps, or geographic friction. To bypass those threats, we are going to map out the exact 3-year sequential engineering checklist required to de-risk your exit. Establishing permanent financial autonomy depends on your ability to execute a precise structural architecture. Exactly 36 months out from your planned exit date, your primary economic threat shifts away from inflation. Your immediate enemy becomes sequence of returns risk. During your accumulation phase, market volatility acts as an advantage. A market drop simply allows your monthly paycheck to buy equities at a discount. The moment you stop receiving that paycheck and begin selling assets to fund your life, the mathematical impact of market movement reverses. If you are forced to liquidate shares of an equity index fund during a severe market drawdown, you are eating your seed corn. You lock in a permanent capital loss, leaving a smaller principal base that must work harder during the recovery. This chart maps two identical $2.5 million portfolios over a 25-year horizon. Portfolio A experiences a 20% market drop in its very first year of retirement. It depletes to absolute zero by year 19. Portfolio B experiences that same 20% market drop, but it occurs in year 10. By year 25, it has recovered to over $3 million. Over the full 25-year period, the mathematical average return was identical for both. Chronological sequence was the sole variable that drove Portfolio A to bankruptcy. To neutralize this threat at year -3, you must construct a defensive liquidity buffer. This requires introducing a planned cash drag into your portfolio. You must carve out 24 to 36 months of your core living expenses and move them out of volatile equities. These funds are deployed directly into liquid, low-risk instruments like short-term treasury bills or capital preservation money market funds. By locking down this buffer, you decouple your immediate physical survival from the daily fluctuations of Wall Street. At 24 months out, the engineering focus shifts to spatial and chronological liquidity. High-earning professionals often face a common architectural flaw. Wealth is heavily concentrated in tax-deferred vehicles like traditional 401ks and IRAs. Those accounts are secured behind a strict regulatory time lock. Attempt to access those pre-tax funds before age 59 and a half, and the IRS levies a 10% early withdrawal penalty on top of standard ordinary income taxes. Your objective in year -2 is constructing an intentional liquidity bridge to span the chronological gap between your early retirement date and age 59 and a half. Building this bridge requires mapping a strict withdrawal hierarchy across 3 distinct asset tiers. Failing to architect this timeline turns on-paper wealth into inaccessible equity. Tier 1 is your taxable brokerage account. This serves as your first line of defense. Withdrawals here operate on long-term capital gains tax rates. With precise management, those gains can be optimized down to a 0% federal tax bracket. Tier 2 is your Roth IRA contribution vault. While earnings are restricted, your original Roth contributions can be withdrawn at any time, free of taxes and penalties. You must audit your historical tax filings using IRS Form 5498 to calculate the exact dollar amount of accessible principals sitting in those accounts. Tier 3 is for individuals whose wealth is trapped in traditional pre-tax accounts. The 72T SEPP pipeline. Section 72T of the tax code allows you to take substantially equal periodic payments, or SEPP, from a traditional IRA prior to age 59 and a half, bypassing the early withdrawal penalty. SEPP is a technical tripwire. If you miscalculate the IRS amortization formula by a single dollar, the IRS retroactively triggers penalties on all historical withdrawals. 2 years out, you must isolate the specific IRA account you plan to use, adjust its total balance to fit the payout formula, and clear it of all administrative clutter. Executing this hierarchy allows you to extract cash flow from your net worth without triggering internal wealth destruction. At 12 months out, your macro strategy is finalized. Your focus narrows to micro-efficiency and wiping out portfolio friction. This requires shifting from the role of a passive tax taker to an active tax manager. Without a W-2 salary automatically pushing you into the highest brackets, your tax rate becomes a variable you can actively manipulate. If you hold international assets, you face hidden friction. Foreign rental income often carries local withholding requirements that do not align with domestic tax credits once your primary income drops. If you are moving across state lines, you must establish clear physical domicile timelines before you begin harvesting capital gains. Structural tax friction will erode your returns if local jurisdictional compliance is not audited before your income shift occurs. The final major optimization hurdle at year -1 is your healthcare architecture. This shows a core rule of the Affordable Care Act health insurance exchanges. Premium costs are dictated entirely by your modified adjusted gross income, or MAGI. Your total net worth is ignored in this calculation. Accidental income spikes are a risk. A poorly timed capital gains harvest or Roth conversion can artificially inflate your MAGI and trigger massive healthcare premium hikes. 12 months out, you must run a comprehensive mock tax return to model your optimization thresholds. Strict MAGI management ensures you can access subsidized healthcare without eroding your core equity. De-risking a professional exit relies on sequential engineering. It is a matter of mathematics and timing. At year -3, you carve out the defensive cash buffer to neutralize sequence of returns risk. At year -2, you map the chronological liquidity bridge to safely bypass the age 59.5 penalty wall. At year -1, you eliminate structural tax and healthcare friction through MAGI modeling and localized asset audits. Executing this structural framework transforms the emotional leap of early retirement into a calculated, inevitable next step.